What's good, everybody? This is Algebra-1 with Mr. Peters, the biggest Miami Hurricane fan of all time. Today, guys, we are going to be talking about variables and expressions. All right? So let's get started for today. So, what is a variable? A variable is just a letter that represents a unknown number. Okay? So let's say I had the example, right? I had b plus 12. And I asked you guys to identify the variable. You guys would tell me that b is my variable, right? All right. Let's go on to another example. Let's say we had 4x plus y plus 8. And I asked you guys the same thing. What are my variable or variables? Because there can be more than one. All right? And you guys will tell me that X and Y are two letters that represent unknown numbers. All right? So remember, variables are just letters that represent unknown numbers. It doesn't have to be just the letter X and Y, and there could be more than one variable in a problem. All right, let's switch on over now to the expressions. The first type of expression we want to talk about today is going to be the numerical expressions. And when you see numerical, right, we're going to be thinking about the word number. And numerical expressions, these are the mathematical phrases, problems, expressions, whichever word you want to use, but they're the problems that only include numbers and operation symbols. Operation symbols such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's get into some examples for numerical expressions. So in our first example, we have 6 divided by 2. And just before I get started, the biggest thing with numerical expressions, there will not be any variables, okay? So if you see a variable, you should know it's not a numerical expression. So when we look at this first problem, all I see is numbers and operation symbols. This is absolutely a numerical expression, okay? And let's look at one more example for numerical expressions. Let's say we had 2 times the difference of 4 minus 3. Then we closed our parentheses and added 8. So do you guys think this is a numerical expression? It is, right? All we have are numbers and variables. Oh, I'm sorry. Numbers and operation symbols. Got ahead of myself. There are no variables. So we should know that this is a numerical expression. All right. Let's scroll on down now and let's talk about our last type of expression, which is the algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions are just the opposite of numerical expressions. So anytime you see a variable, if there's a variable in the problem, you should automatically know that it is an algebraic expression. So a problem that says n plus 32, once we see that variable of n, we should know that's an algebraic expression, right? And in our very last problem for today, what if we had something like 11x plus y plus 10? So the same thing is going on here with the first problem. We have variables, right? We have an x and we have a y. So once we see one or more variables, we should automatically know that it is an algebraic expression. Thank you guys for joining us today. This is Algebra 1 with Mr. Peters, biggest Miami Hurricane fan of all time. Please make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, leave any comments. If there are any videos you guys would like to see in the future, just leave a comment down below for us. We thank you guys for joining us today.